Congress. Okay? So use it well, that's all.
So what is the issue now?
Issue is I'm just come to say hi to them.
Which BJP flag?
I see. Okay, last time I went campaigning for Congress. Okay, we all know what happened. Okay, after that, what is the consequences? Okay, so my dad, my grandfather, my great grandfather, my brothers, my nephews come here. Okay, so 4th generation. All right. I'm not saying anything. All right. I just said I'm coming here to say hi to them. This is a friend. All right. This is a symbol. Okay. Yes, I am a BJP karyakarta at the moment. Okay. But what's the harm if I have friends? Why do your enemies have to be my enemies, dude? You understand? Come on. It's a free world.
So
and the way they treat me like
They're
this.
trying to change the political situation.
It's not about changing the political situation. How is this going to change the political situation? See, everybody in Goa knows, okay, how to vote, who to vote for, okay? People are not dumb, okay? The middle class, the intelligent, are aware, okay? Just because I have just come to
No, the issue was only that you have brought the flag of BJP in the Congress House. That's why they are
Sent it
upset.
out?
Yeah.
Why? I am so, listen,
Because
I can't listen.
How you can do this?
Listen, okay, you know who this is?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. This was in Abu Dhabi, alright? My dad was part of the security member system because he was connected with the Indian Social Center. And he was one of the security entourage. And we knew the Gandhis for a long time, okay? Huge supporter, alright? But what happened? I also knew, okay? I know the Gandhis personally at that time. When I support I see them. Now, what is happening today in Congress? Okay, phew, come on, man. You had the majority.
Brother, you met now Mayor Uday.
I want to meet him. Okay. I want to give him a birthday gift. Okay. This was his birthday gift. Indira Gandhi with flowers. Okay. And say good luck. What's so bad about that? Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So now again you will go or you will go directly down?
See, I don't know. They want to take out the flag and stuff like that. If they want me to take out the flag, because I'm not taking out this flag. Okay. So you're going to I'm Kenneth Good.
So now again you will go or you will go directly down now?
I don't know. He's going to talk to me. Okay. And then after he talks to me, we'll tell you what happened. Alright? Cool.
Oh,